I ask financial experts about the best investments in the Philippines.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Number one for me is real estate, and then number two is VUL.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Investment, real estate, tsaka gold.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Ano to, yung tangible, intangible?
Parehas pwede.
Kahit ano, number one, syempre is education. Kasi iba pa rin ang may alam. Okay? And number two is, I would say, your own business. Pero again, balik tayo sa number one. Kailangan alam mo at marunong ka magpaikot ng pera. Kasi kapag natutunan mo yon at makapag-invest ka sa sarili mong negosyo, ito yung lagi ko sinasabi. Yung negosyo kasi, you are in full control of it. So kapag nilabas mo yung pera mo into other modes of investments na wala kang control, you are at the mercy of whether it will go up or go down. Eh paano if it goes down? Ano sasabihin ng mga tao sa'yo? Sorry. Pero yung negosyo, you are in full control of it. Kaya mo siyang gawa ng paraan.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Seminar. Pangalawa, insurance.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Tao. Mag-invest ka sa tao. Dahil yan tao, pag natuto kang mag-alaga, mag-nurture, mag-grow, also mag-attract, buhay ka for life. Alam mo tong taong sinasabi ko? Network.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
One for me is traditional business. Yan yung mga restaurants, water station, and all. Second would be content creations. Content creations talaga ako.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Real estate, stock market.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Personal mastery trainings and health insurance.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Real estate tsaka venture capitalism.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Real estate and Pag-ibig MP2.
Bago niyo para malaman yung iba pang sagot ng mga bigating coaches natin, may gusto akong ipakita sa inyo.
Shoutout sa ADT Dental Clinic. Meron silang branch sa Makati and Antipolo. High technology dental care but affordable. Siyempre, isa sa mga dapat mong pag-investan is your dental health. Bukod kasi sa may iwasan mo, maagapan mo yung mga gastusin from your dental problems, you will get your confidence. Because the best investment is in yourself. Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Top 2, protection investment, tsaka long-term investments.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Investment sa sarili. Investment sa itsura, sa knowledge, sa skills, sa experience. Number 2, real estate.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Insurance, tsaka real estate.
Top 2 investment in the Philippines.
Top 2 investment. Number 1, health. Focus on investing in your health. Number 2 is personal development.